E te atua, ngā mihi mō ngā mea katoa e whai ana au. Ngā mihi mō taku whānau a tāhua, tēnā koe e tiaki i ngā tangata aroha o tōku ao, tēnā koe e tiaki i a au i runga i tēnei haerenga hauora. Ho mai te maia, ho mai te kaha, ho mai te marama ki au. Ake, 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 āmene.
Rongo kako. All the favourite things. Cheers. Change of plans in the morning. CJ is playing softball, so we're going to go down there first. This crazy dog.
Hey Dad!
What?
In 2 weeks, well, in 2 weeks I'm going to be 10, so this is my only time that I'm going to be a 1 digit.
Mm.
I'm going to be double digits.
Going to be a big girl. This dog's being a nut. But yeah, after the softball game we'll go up to Rongo Kako. Sure. That was CJ. Had to take the dog back because he's been a pain in the... You know what? Come back and grab some cheese. Chirp. This was me when I was his age, finally. Happy just to play by myself. What you making down there? Oh, you're getting me some fireworks. Hey? Okay, come on, the game's gonna finish now. Do Mickey. True. Kaitina. Eggs, 2 eggs, ham, cheese. Stuck watching the finals of Matatini.
Did you know
I'll get out for some exercise later. Cheers. It's been 5 hours. And a nap. Gotta see who wins. What a day. Sometimes that's just how it is, people. That's just how it is, people. Modi ora. Gotta get out for a run, man. Otherwise I'll be stuck on the couch, bro. see who wins that matatini though. They're just deliberating for results, I think. Thought we'd better get in a run. Check. Just finished my stretches. The old calf muscle is a bit sore from the old last run. Haere tonu, haere tonu. Halfway. Yeah. Oh. I'm halfway on the road on halfway. But yeah, my calf, it's at that point where I know not to push it, so we'll just walk it out. A couple of things, so reached out to the bro for a dive and wasn't able to until Monday. But Monday's no good for me because it's my birthday. So that's unfortunate. 2, can't wait to hit the gym next week. Now I understand the reason to build muscle is also a way of losing weight. I didn't see it that way all the past times that I was going to the gym. Well, I thought it was more about putting on muscle, but as it's a device to lose more fat, definitely keen on doing that. So next Tuesday we will sign up at the gym, and yeah, I think that'll be the day before weigh-in day, Wednesday, which will be the last, oh no, Tuesday will be the last vlog for the 30 days. So I'll do a big recap on the whole 30 days next Tuesday. Today is Saturday, but that'll be our next mission, is to consistently go to the gym. I don't really like going to the gym stuck in 4 walls and, you know, just lifting weights set after set. It's just like pretty boring to me. But like out here exercising is more my thing, but I understand that it will enhance more of the fat burning that I'm doing while running. So I'll still keep doing running as well, probably just once a day. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Just like the same, we'll just keep doing the do, and then if it doesn't feel right, then we'll change it up. Yeah, but that'll be the next 30 days. I was thinking about working on building a home gym, but don't really have the space. I don't want to encroach on my son's space out in the garage. So yeah, that's what we'll be up to. Cheers. I've never watched the prize giving. Is there always this many first equals? 5 first equals for whakaeke. And there was all these other prizes prior, and there was like some prizes were given first equal to 12 kapahaka. Gracie, my bros. E kapahaka o Ngāti Whakaue. Crazy. Neat, alright.